Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Steam games not showing in my library. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, maybe you have hidden a game. Okay, so just basically click on view and check it out. Go ahead over to hidden games right here and make sure that if you can spot your game right here, just right click and manage and then remove from hidden. Okay, now go ahead and go back to view. Go ahead over to library, just like so, and now you'll be able to see it. Okay, now if that still will work, go ahead over to Steam right here, click on settings, go ahead over to downloads. Now go ahead and scroll down a bit and click on clear download cache, click on confirm. Wait a bit, it will load up your Steam app. And after that, go ahead and check if your library is now updated. Okay. Now, if that soon will work, go ahead over to Steam once more. At the top left, click on settings. And in here, we're going to go to storage. And then make sure that you have the game installed in here. Okay. So if you can spot your game in here, but it's not showing onto your library, well, just go ahead and click on the three dots and then click on repair library. Click on yes, and there will be a pop-up. And then once that's done, close this one, close, open up library, and check if it works. And that's how easy it is to fix Steam games if it's not showing up in your library. I hope this video helps you. I'll see you in the next one.